Hello there, welcome to the Nutrition Blog YouTube channel. In this tutorial video, you are going to learn how to password protect WordPress posts and pages without using plugin. What do I mean by password protect WordPress posts and pages? WordPress is a popular CMS platform that is known for managing content as well as building amazing websites. However, for a lot of people, we are all aware that if you want to access a particular post on WordPress, all you have to do is click on the hyperlink of that particular post and you'll be able to see it. But there are actually three types of visibility when it comes to accessing posts on WordPress. The first one is the public, we have the private, and we have the password protected. So in this tutorial video, we are going to be taking a look at the password protect WordPress, how to password protect WordPress posts and pages without using plugin. In order to enable you to understand it better, I'm going to be showing you a screenshot of two visuals, one before the article is protected with the password and the one after it is protected. So here we have the figure number 2, so which says protected, hello, grab a coffee. So this is actually a particular post that is been protected with a password, and this is after I've entered the correct password before it will be able to show me. This is what it's going to show to you. This is another figure in which when people click on the title and they want to access the post, it's going to tell them this content is password protected. To view it, please enter your password below. So you would the users would have to enter the correct password, and after they enter the correct password, only then they can now be able to access the content of the article. So in this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to do that. So now let's get started. This is the post section of my dashboard, and let's say I want to write a new article and I want to protect the article with password so that people can be able to access it using password. So all you have to do is click on the add new to create the new post that you want to protect with the password. And when you click on new post, it's going to show you the block editor, which is by default. Click on hide the title, hide there, welcome, and let me give it this body. So now I have the title and a short body of the title. So let's say I want to protect the website. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to publish this article so that we can see how it's going to look like. So now I'm going to publish the article. This article is live and I can view it by clicking the link there, and then so here I have the article. So hi there, welcome, which is the title, and I also have the body of the article. So now let's say you don't want people to you don't want the article to be public to the users, and you want people to only be able to access using the password. So this is the part where password protected means, and in this section we are going to learn how to password protect WordPress posts and pages. So in order to enable you to password protect your posts, so all you have to do is you move your cursor to the top right corner of your dashboard of your post editor. So we have it here, and you're going to see some tab, you're going to see some buttons there. So we have the switch to draft, the preview, updates, settings, and the likes. But the part where you'll be needing most is down here, the section here. So we have the post tab and we have the blog tab. So you click on the post tab. So when you click on the post tab, you're not going to move on to the status and visibility. So on the visibility section, currently now it's set to the public. So the public means that anyone that can access the internet can actually view your article. So now what we want to do right now is give a level of security to this current article. So if you want to password protect it, so you click on the public and then you move on to the third option here, which is password protected. So after clicking on the password protected, it's going to show you a box that you should enter a secure password that you want to use. So now I can decide to use it any password. So let's say example 123. So this is the password I want to use, and then after clicking there, then I can now click on update. So after I've updated it, can you know that there's a difference between public and password protected? So before, the article is set to public, which can easily be seen here, but now I have actually set it to password protected. So that means anyone that I want to access the article will have to enter the password that I use to add the security to the site. So let's see how that works. So this is the part before I add a password to it. This is how it shows. Now let me reload it and see what is going to happen. So now I've reloaded the page, and you can see here it said protected. So before it was not showing protected, but now it's saying protected. That is, this article is protected. And in the body of the content, you can see this content is password protected. To view it, please enter your password below. So that means irregardless of the theme that you are using, once you click on password protected, once you password protect your post, users will have to enter the correct password before they can view the post. Now I'm going to enter the password which I set earlier. So remember that I set a password there, and the password is this, example 123. So once you can now enter the password there, example 123. So let's say I now add a wrong password and click on enter. So if I should enter a wrong password, it's not going to allow me to view the post. So if I should enter any wrong password, it's not going, no matter how many times I've tried, if I should enter a wrong password, it's not going to show until I enter the correct password. Now I'm about to enter the correct password, so which is this, and then enter. So now that I've entered the correct password, you're going to see the difference. So it can now show me the body of the post. So that's how to password protect your post by simply navigating to your post editor, click on post tab, change to click on the visibility, and click on password protected. So the same way that we did for post is also the same way that you're going to do. It's also the same way that you're going to do for your WordPress pages. So now let's see how we can do that for our WordPress pages. So now if you want to do that for your pages, you're going to click on pages, and then I'm going to click on add new. So I'm going to title that let's say our history. So then I'm going to write a body: born in the ancient city of Ibadan in West Africa. He has grown to be one of the fast rising autodidact, not only in his city but also in the country and to continents and to and beyond. So now this is actually a page, and the first thing I want to do is I want to click on publish. So kindly note that previously I publish first before I set it to password protected. Now you do not need to publish before you can set it to password protected. So what I'm going to do here is I'm not going to publish. So you can actually directly set it to password protected. So now that I'm done with the body of the article, you move your cursor to the right corner here. So we have the page tab and the blog tab, which is quite different from the post tab and the blog tab. So but because it's a static page, so that's why we have the page. So we click on page. In case you can't find this, maybe you are seeing this, if you want to see this, you can just click on the settings tab here, and you're going to see the option here. So now click on page. So when you click on page, then you move to the visibility section, click on the public, and when you click on public, you click on password protected. So and then enter the password I want to use, example 1234. So let's say that's the password I want to use. Click outside the box and ensure that it's showing password protected here, and then click on publish. So when you click on publish and you click on view the page, So it's going to show you that this page is actually protected, and before people can be able to access it, they have to enter the correct password before they can be able to enter it. So now that I've entered the correct password, I can now view the body of the article. So that's all about that on how to password protect your WordPress post and pages without using a plugin. If you would like to review more WordPress tutorials, how-tos, and related information related to WordPress, you can visit our website at www.netsocialblog.com. See you next time. Bye.